Hello and warm greeting to everyone. I am teacher Annalyn, 38 years old, married, a proud mother of 2 children. I am applying for the preschool and elementary teacher's position in your esteemed institution. I am a licensed teacher. I hold a bachelor's degree in elementary education and have completed all the academic requirements for my master's degree in early childhood education at Wesleyan University, Philippines. Before I began my teaching career, I served as barangay nutrition scholar in our community. I provide nutrition education for mothers and children, promoting healthy practices and supporting early childhood development. This experience taught me the importance of engaging families and nurturing the whole child, mind, body, and heart. From November 2023 to May 2025, I taught at St. Louis and Montessori School, where I handled nursery students in all subjects and taught Filipino, social studies, values education, and physical education to grade 2, grade 6, grade 7, and grade 10. Teaching different levels helped me grow into more flexible and creative educator, adjusting my methods to fit various learning needs and style. During my free time, I also tutored 2 students daily, helping them with their lesson and guiding their progress. This experience strengthened my belief and power of individualized attention and consistent support. As a teacher, I am create classroom that inclusive, joyful, and developmentally appropriate, and space where every child feels safe, supported, and excited to learn. I am truly excited about this opportunity of passion and teaching with your school community. Once again, I am Teacher Annalyn, and I hope to see you and meet you soon. Thank you.